We are back, baby! We are back! This time with this iconic vintage tractor, the Massey Ferguson 188 Multipower. Did you hear what I said there? I said multi-power. You remain, I'll explain. This iconic Massey Ferguson 188 has multi-power, power steering, and has brand new front and rear Goodyear tyres. And we've also put them wheel weights on for them bigger jobs. She has her original Lucas reflector lights, her original Butler tail lights, and the original ploughing lamp. Also, she has a PTO guard and shaft cover, and the pickup hitch is in full working order. She also has her original dash, her original clocks, and as our model is showing us here, her original seat. And she has her original roll bar, which is also detachable. So, this is a real rare machine. A real collector's item. Where would you get it? Where? LuckyDayCompetitions.com, that's where. £12.97. Get across, get your tickets bought, and you never know. Today could be a lucky day.